The IT landscape is evolving rapidly, and as we approach 2025, staying ahead means preparing for the trends shaping tomorrow. At New Resources Consulting, we're here to help your firm not just navigate these changes, but thrive in them. Let's explore the top three trends for 2025 and how you can prepare today. First up, AI driven insights. Businesses are leveraging AI to go beyond understanding what's happening and start predicting what's next. Imagine forecasting demand, identifying operational bottlenecks, or uncovering customer behavior patterns, all powered by AI. 72% of businesses have adopted AI for at least one business function. AI driven forecasting models can reduce errors by 20 to 50%, leading to a decrease in lost sales and product unavailability by up to 65%. AI techniques have been developed to identify throughput bottlenecks in complex production systems, enhancing productivity and efficiency. AI powered predictive analytics can analyze vast data sets to uncover intricate behavior patterns, enabling businesses to tailor their strategies effectively. AI impacts decision making speed and accuracy, enabling businesses to stay competitive in a fast paced environment. At NRC, we specialize in integrating AI solutions tailored to your organization, ensuring your data works for you. Our AI Innovation Workshop is designed to help enterprises explore the transformative impact of AI driven insights and identify possible deliverables. The workshop closes with a detailed roadmap and execution plan. Next, cloud expansion. As hybrid and multi cloud environments become the norm, businesses gain the flexibility to scale up, collaborate seamlessly, and enhance data accessibility. Understanding the landscape and leveraging expert guidance becomes crucial. Over 90% of enterprises are estimated to use a mix of on prem and cloud services, thus highlighting the shift towards hybrid cloud models. 76% of enterprises have a multi cloud strategy, utilizing multiple public and private clouds to enhance flexibility and avoid vendor lock in. The global hybrid cloud market is projected to reach $128 billion in 2025, indicating rapid adoption and investment in hybrid solutions. But with flexibility comes complexity. Adopting the right cloud strategy is key to avoiding inefficiencies. NRC's expertise in cloud native frameworks and Oracle Cloud ERP helps your team modernize and optimize infrastructure with confidence. Our technology solutions group has industry agnostic subject matter experts with decades of experience. We can work with you to create a custom cloud strategy, scalable solutions designed to enhance growth, and expert implementation and support. This brings us to trend number three, operational efficiencies. In an era of doing more with less, businesses are turning to streamlined processes and automation. From cutting costs to meeting project deadlines, operational efficiency is crucial for success. 77% of businesses adopting automation report a significant boost in productivity. Automation technologies have led to a 70% reduction in errors, improving quality and compliance. Companies utilizing automation have experienced operational cost reductions of up to 23%. These statistics underscore the substantial benefits of integrating automation into business processes, enhancing efficiency and profitability. One way to embrace a culture focused on operational efficiencies is to utilize a managed services provider. With NRC's managed services, you gain scalable support that bridges skill gaps and ensures resources are used effectively, helping your firm meet goals without overextending your team. Step, visit newresources.com to learn more about our managed services programs. Schedule time with one of our subject matter experts and discover which package is the best fit for your organization. Let's work together to drive innovation and deliver results. AI, cloud expansion, and operational efficiency are more than just trends. They're opportunities to drive innovation and achieve results. At NRC, we help businesses like yours turn these trends into actionable strategies. Ready to get ahead of 2025? Visit our website to schedule a consultation today.